Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine host riding system tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement this rider dismounting animation with this system. It's like this. Uh, yeah, he can dismount now. If you didn't watch my previous videos about host controller and host interaction and how rider is mounting the animation, please watch my previous videos. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share the video. So let's start today's lesson. So today I'm going to show you how to create this dismount animation from the host, because we have implemented this mounting animation, but we didn't implement the dismount animation. So let's see how to do that. So first let's find the animation for dismounting. So in here, in host anim set throw animations, so I think we have to retarget an animation. So let's find the retargeter. This RTG v4 many to v5 many. Let's find the dismount animation. This will work fine. Let's export to the same folder. I will enable root motion, so it will move the capsule with the animation also. So yeah, we can use this, and let's create the animation montage for this. I will rename as dismount left. So let's open this host blueprint. This is my dismounting function. So first let's see by playing the montage. To do that, let's get the rider mesh, then play the montage from this mesh. Yeah, dismount left, and let's see how it works. Yeah, animation works fine now, and now we need to add the smooth camera movement. So to do that, let's find the third person blueprint of our rider blueprint. This is a blueprint. So let's add the function to the interface as a move camera. We use this function to move camera smoothly when rider is dismounting from the host. So let's add the host camera location and host camera rotation. Now let's implement this move camera function in the rider blueprint. Rider blueprint needs VP third person character in my project. Now we have the host location and rotation. So first we have to set the follow camera's location and rotation as host location and rotation. and set the rotation also, set for rotation as this, and then we have to move this to its 0 location using move component to node. Let's set the time like 0.5. Let's implement that function in here, move camera, and this is not blend out. We need to get the location and rotation from this camera location and rotation. And I think we don't need to set the location. There's some issue here, because when the player is dismounting, its animation controller is still in climb position, not climb position, is riding position. So we need to disable that also. So I think this function is to getting down from host. Yeah, we need to call this function before we complete this montage. So let's add the function here and target as the rider. Let's check now. Yeah, now it works fine. Yeah, now dismounting is okay. So I see there is an issue with the climbing animation, because when player try to climb, and after playing animation there is a animation snapping. So it happens here when rider location setting here. So let's try move component for here by getting capsule component. And we need the location as this rider location, and rotation is also this, and let's connect this to the process. Now we should do this before we attach these components. So let's delete this, and let's add the move component node to here. We need to add the rider's capsule component to move. Capsule, and as the location and rotation we need to get these values. Let's see it's working or not. Yeah, now rider is not snapping. Let's hide these arrows also. So that's it for today. I have implemented this character dismounting animation from the host, and it works fine. And thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please use the comment box, and have a nice day.